as we embark on this journey together, I ask you to open your minds and hearts to the truth that I am about to share. For in this truth lies the key to unlocking your full potential, the secret to overcoming any obstacle, and the power to create the life you've always dreamed of. Let us begin by understanding the nature of inner strength. What is it really? Many of you might think of it as a kind of mental or emotional toughness, a resilience in the face of adversity. And while these are certainly aspects of inner strength, I tell you that it goes far deeper than that. True inner strength, my dear friends, is nothing less than the recognition and embodiment of your divine nature. It is the unwavering knowledge that you are, in essence, one with the creative power of the universe. It is the ability to stand firm in this truth, regardless of external circumstances or appearances. You see, the world around you, with all its seeming solidity and permanence, is nothing more than a reflection of your own consciousness. Every person, every object, every circumstance that you encounter is but a mirror, showing you the contents of your own mind. And it is in this understanding that the seed of immense inner strength is planted. When you truly grasp this concept, when you internalize it and make it a living part of your being, you become unshakable. For how can external events disturb you when you know that you are their very creator? How can circumstances overwhelm you when you understand that they are simply manifestations of your own thoughts and beliefs? But I can hear the objections forming in your minds. But Neville, you might say, how can this be true? I certainly didn't choose the hardships in my life. I didn't create the challenges I face. And to this I say, yes, you did. Not consciously, perhaps, not with your surface level thinking, but with the deeper currents of your subconscious mind. For it is your beliefs, your assumptions about yourself and the world that shape your reality. This might seem like a heavy burden at first. If you are responsible for creating your reality, then doesn't that mean you're to blame for your problems? But I urge you to see it differently. This understanding is not a burden, but a liberation. For if you have the power to create your challenges, then you also have the power to create your triumph. And this, my friends, is where the building of immense inner strength begins. It starts with the recognition of your true nature as a divine creator, and it grows through the consistent application of this truth in your daily life. So how do we go about this? How do we cultivate this immense inner strength? The process is both simple and profound, requiring nothing more than your attention and your imagination. The first step is to become aware of your thoughts and beliefs. Pay attention to the running commentary in your mind. What are you telling yourself about your life, your capabilities, your worth? What assumptions are you making about the world and your place in it? As you become aware of these thoughts and beliefs, you'll likely notice that many of them are limiting, based on past experiences or societal conditioning. These are the very thoughts that are creating the reality you're experiencing. But here's thoughts and beliefs, no matter how long-standing or deeply ingrained, are not you. They are simply patterns in your mind, and like any pattern, they can be changed. This brings us to the second step in building immense inner strength: the deliberate choosing of new thoughts and beliefs. This is where your divine power of imagination comes into play. Imagine, if you will, the person you would be if you had immense inner strength. How would you think? How would you feel? How would you carry yourself? How would you respond to challenges? Create this image in your mind with as much detail as possible. See yourself moving through your day with unshakable confidence and serenity. Feel the sense of peace and power that emanates from your very being. Hear the calm, the short tone of your voice as you interact with others. Here's the crucial part. You must enter into this imaginal scene as if it were already your reality. Don't think of it as something you're working towards or hoping to achieve. Know with absolute certainty that this is who you are. As you practice this, you'll likely encounter resistance from your old patterns of thinking. Doubts may arise, old insecurities may surface. This is natural and to be expected. But remember, these thoughts have no power over you unless you give them power. When these doubts arise, simply observe them without judgment. Acknowledge them, then gently return your attention to your new self-concept. This is not a battle or a struggle. It's simply a choosing moment by moment of which thoughts you will entertain. As you persist in this practice, you'll find that it becomes easier and more natural. The new thoughts and beliefs begin to take root in your subconscious mind, and as they do, your outer world begins to reflect this inner change. You see, the subconscious mind doesn't distinguish between what's real and what's imagined. It accepts as true whatever you consistently feed it. And once it accepts a belief as true, it goes to work to make that belief manifest in your external reality. This is the true secret to building immense inner strength. It's not about forcing yourself to be strong or putting on a brave face in difficult times. It's about aligning yourself with the truth of your being, about living from the state of consciousness of the person you wish to be. As you do this, you'll find that your response to external events begins to change. Challenges that once would have overwhelmed you now become opportunities for growth. Setbacks that would have discouraged you now become stepping stones to greater achievement. This is because you're no longer deriving your sense of self from external circumstances. Your worth, your strength, your very identity is rooted in the unchanging truth of your divine nature. And from this place of inner stability, you become capable of navigating any storm that life may bring. But me be clear, this is not about becoming impervious to pain or difficulty. Life will still have its challenges. You will still experience a full range of human emotions. The difference is that these experiences no longer define you or control you. Instead, you develop the ability to observe your experiences from a place of detached awareness. You can feel fear without being controlled by it. You can experience disappointment without being crushed by it. You can face uncertainty without being paralyzed by it. This, my friends, is true inner strength. It's not the absence of difficulty, but the ability to stand firm in the midst of it, knowing that you are more than your circumstances, more than your emotions, more than any external event. As you cultivate this inner strength, you'll find that it affects every aspect of your life. Your relationships improve because you're no longer seeking validation or approval from others. Your work becomes more fulfilling because you're operating from a place of inner security rather than fear or ambition. Your health improves because you're no longer carrying the burden of stress and anxiety that comes from identifying with external circumstances. But perhaps most importantly, you develop a deep sense of peace and purpose. You begin to understand that you're not just a passive observer of life, but an active participant in its creation. You recognize that every moment is an opportunity to choose, to create, to express your divine nature. This understanding brings with it a profound sense of responsibility. For if you are indeed the creator of your reality, then you have the power and the duty to create a reality that reflects the highest and best within you. And this, my dear friends, is where the true work begins. For building immense inner strength is not an end in itself. It is a means to an end, a tool to be used in service of your highest purpose. What is that purpose? Only you can answer that question. But I can tell you this. It is something far greater than personal success or achievement. It is nothing less than the full expression of your divine nature, the complete embodiment of love, wisdom, and creativity that is your true self. As you align yourself with this purpose, as you begin to live from the state of consciousness of your highest self, you become a powerful force for good in the world. Your very presence becomes a blessing to those around you. Your words and actions carry a weight and authority that comes not from external power. But how do we maintain the state of inner strength in the face of life's constant challenges? How do we stay rooted in our divine nature when the world seems intent on pulling us back into old patterns of thinking and being? The key lies in consistent practice. Just as you wouldn't expect to build physical strength by going to the gym once and then forgetting about it, you can't expect to maintain immense inner strength without regular exercise of your spiritual muscle. This spiritual exercise takes many forms, but at its core, it's about consistently choosing to align with your highest self, regardless of external circumstances. It's about making a commitment moment by moment to live from the state of consciousness of the person you wish to be. One powerful practice is to start each day with a period of quiet contemplation. Before you engage with the outside world, take some time to center yourself in the truth of your being. I am one with the creative power of the universe. I am strong, capable, and worthy. I choose to live this day from a place of inner peace and power. As you go about your day, be mindful of your thoughts and reactions. When you notice yourself slipping into old patterns of fear, doubt, or limitation, pause. Take a deep breath and remind yourself of your true nature. Then make a conscious choice to respond from a place of inner strength rather than reacting from conditioned patterns. Another powerful tool is the practice of revision. At the end of each day, take some time to review the events of your day. If there were any situations where you felt you didn't respond from a place of inner strength, don't judge or criticize yourself. Instead, use your imagination to revise the scene. See yourself responding with confidence and grace. Feel the sense of inner strength and alignment that comes from this imagined response. This is not about denying what happened, but about training your subconscious mind to create new patterns of thought and behavior. Remember, your subconscious doesn't distinguish between what's real and what's imagined. By consistently feeding it images of yourself, embodying immense inner strength, you're programming it to make this your new default state of being. As you continue with these practices, you'll find that your inner strength becomes more stable, more consistent. It becomes less of an effort and more of a natural state of being. You'll find yourself naturally responding to life's challenges with grace and equanimity. Not because you're forcing yourself to be strong, but because strength has become your essential nature. But let me be clear. This journey of building immense inner strength is not a destination to be reached, but a path to be walked. It's a continual process of growth, of expansion, of aligning more and more fully with your divine nature. There will be times when you falter, when old patterns reassert themselves, when you find yourself reacting from a place of fear or limitation. When this happens, don't berate yourself. Don't see it as a failure. Instead, see it as an opportunity for growth, a chance to choose again, to realign yourself with your highest. For in truth, every moment is a new beginning. Every breath is an opportunity to choose again. Your past does not define you. Your habits do not control you. You are in every moment free to choose who you will be. Life, friends, is the ultimate expression of your strength. The ability to choose moment by moment, to align with your highest self regardless of external circumstances or past patterns. As you embrace this truth, as you commit to this path of continual growth and alignment, you'll find that your inner strength becomes a beacon of light in the world. You become a living example of what's possible when we align ourselves with our divine nature. Your relationships become deeper and more meaningful because you're no longer seeking validation or approval from others. Instead, you're able to give freely of yourself, to love unconditionally, to support others in their own journey of growth and self-discovery. Your work becomes more impactful because you're no longer driven by fear or the need for external success. Instead, you're guided by a deep sense of purpose, by a desire to express your unique gifts and contribute to the greater good. Your health improves because you're no longer carrying the burden of stress and anxiety that comes from identifying with external circumstances. Instead, you're living from a place of inner peace and alignment, which naturally supports physical well-being. But perhaps most importantly, you develop a deep sense of fulfillment and joy. Not the fleeting happiness that comes from external achievements or possessions, but a profound sense of rightness, of being in harmony with the universe and with your true nature. This, my dear friends, is the true fruit of immense inner strength. It's not about becoming invincible or immune to life's challenges. It's about developing the capacity to meet whatever life brings with grace, wisdom, and love. As we near the end of our time together, I want to leave you with a final thought. The journey we've discussed today, the journey towards immense inner strength, is not always an easy one. There will be challenges along the way. There will be moments of doubt, times when the old patterns try to reassert themselves. But I want you to know this. You are stronger than you realize. You have within you all the resources you need to overcome any obstacle, to rise above any challenge. The power that created the universe resides within you, waiting to be acknowledged and expressed. So I urge you from this day forward to make a commitment to yourself, a commitment to honor your true nature, to cultivate your inner strength, to live from a place of alignment with your highest self. Start each day by affirming your divine nature and your innate strength. Look in the mirror and declare with conviction, I am one with the creative power of the universe. I am strong, capable, and worthy. I choose to live this day from a place of inner peace and power. As you go about your day, be mindful of your thoughts and actions. When you catch yourself slipping into old patterns of fear or limitation, pause. Take a deep breath and remind yourself of your commitment to inner strength. Then make a conscious choice to act from a place of alignment rather than react. Remember, this is a process. Be patient and gentle with yourself as you cultivate your inner strength. Celebrate your victories no matter how small they may seem. Each time you choose alignment over reaction, you're strengthening your inner resolve and moving closer to the full expression of your divine nature. And as you continue on this journey, know that you're not alone. There are others out there just like you who are awakening to their true power and cultivating their inner strength. Seek out these kindred spirits, support each other, inspire each other, and together create a community of individuals who are committed to living from a place of immense inner strength. Imagine the ripple effect this could have on the world. As more and more people awaken to their true nature and cultivate their inner strength, we could see a shift in collective consciousness, a world where people are no longer driven by fear and insecurity, but by love, wisdom, and a genuine desire to express their unique gifts. You have the power to be a part of this transformation. By choosing to cultivate your inner strength, by aligning yourself with your divine nature, you're not just changing your own life, you're contributing to the evolution of humanity as a whole. So I ask you, are you ready to embrace your true power? Are you ready to cultivate immense inner strength? Are you ready to step into the fullness of who you truly are? The choice is yours. The power is within you. And the time is now. As we conclude our time together, I want you to take a moment to visualize the life that awaits you as you continue to cultivate your inner strength. See yourself moving through the world with unshakable confidence, fully aligned with your divine nature. Feel the sense of peace, power, and purpose that comes from living from this place of inner strength. Hold on to this vision. Let it inspire you in moments of doubt. Let it guide you as you navigate the challenges that lie ahead. And most importantly, let it remind you of the incredible potential that resides within you. Remember, my dear friends, you are not separate from the creative power of the universe. You are one with it, an individualized expression of its infinite potential. By cultivating your inner strength, you're not becoming something you're not. You're simply allowing more of your true nature to shine through. So go forth with courage and conviction. Embrace your divine nature. Cultivate your inner strength. And know that as you do, you're not just transforming your own life. You're contributing to the transformation of the world. Thank you for your attention and your willingness to embark on this journey of self-discovery and inner growth. May you always remember your true nature as a divine being, and may you have the courage to live that truth every day of your life. And so, my friends, I leave you with this final thought. Your inner strength is not something to be acquired, but something to be uncovered. It is your natural state, your true essence. As you remove the layers of fear, doubt, and limitation, you allow this strength to shine forth, illuminating not just your own life, but thank you. And may your journey towards immense inner strength be filled with joy, growth, and endless possibilities.